Hello, you're watching NewsX with me, Riya Dwivedi. Now let's begin the bulletin with some breaking news coming in. A major landslide has hit Mumbai's Kurla area following heavy rainfall, leaving 2 people dead and several others feared trapped under the debris. And the incident took place around 3 a.m. in Ashok Nagar under the Ghatkopar police jurisdiction, and police have stated that 2 bodies have been recovered so far, while around 4 to 5 people are feared trapped. And rescue operations are still underway with police, BMC, NDRF and other agencies working at the site. Now, joining me on the telecast is my colleague Shweta Verma. Shweta, what exactly is the situation over there in when we talk about this landslide and the rescue operation that is taking place?
Right. In fact, as per the primary information that we have sought from the NDRF team and other agencies being at the spot, they stated that at least 6 people fear to be trapped under the debris after landslide in Mumbai Kurla's area had happened in the early hours of today. In fact, what we also see so far, 2 people have been reported to be dead, and rescue operations are underway. In fact, in Kurla area, where several people were initially feared to be trapped, and now as it's been seen that near about 6 to 7 people are feared to be trapped in the debris. Police, because they are present at the spot, they also stated that the operations are currently underway with there are officials from BMC, NDRF and other agencies. Now this particular incident of landslide, this has taken place around 3 a.m. And now it's been seen that yesterday, due to incessant rain that took place across Mumbai, the landslide occurred at midnight 3, and this landslide was in the Ashok Nagar area of Ghatkopar police. Now we have also been seen in the visuals that how this entire 2 to 3 agencies, those who are present there with their officials, are working. And initially it was stated that around only 4 people are feared to be trapped, but now as the rescue operations are underway, the numbers of people feared to be trapped are increasing.